First alert, I just tweeted it out actually. We're talking about a shower or two or three after all of this wind. So that's your first alert. We're going to be shifting up out of the winds into some showers, and we certainly could use those, just not the wind so much. But you're seeing sustained winds, 15, 24, 18 North Las Vegas, but the gusts have been 30 to almost 40 miles per hour as advertised. So we're hitting it right on the head, pretty close right there, 38 mile per hour gusts there, 37 North Las Vegas. For the end of the night, we could see a few 40s before it's all said and done. So this is turning out to be a gusty day as advertised once again. But it won't be overnight as much as it will be again for it tomorrow afternoon. Maybe just some breezes. Certainly not the expected winds that like we had this past weekend and even over Friday. So we've had some strong winds of late, and it's about time they start calming down, and then we start to replace them. Wish we could replace this pollen count, I'll tell you that. But it looks like it's been dropping a little bit here and there. So temperatures have been down as well, and they're dropping very soon. They already dropped a little bit more today. I hope you noticed it. I hope it wasn't just as treacherous out there as it has been when we had those middle 90s, but we're talking even lower temperatures. Now, once we start getting into May, on average, we'll likely see above average numbers. Let's just say we have a pretty good chance of seeing more above average warmer temperatures than we do the cool stuff. But this is a cool system coming through, and this is what's going to plummet our temperatures. And actually, now that it's developing well, we can actually see what's happening. So once they start to move, they start to lift the air, and that's when we see all this cool and condense, and then we see those showers, and even, believe it or not, thunderstorms form out of this. So we're watching this very closely. Let me show you what FutureCast is showing for us. That's actually the cold front that's going to come through for the remainder of the evening and bring some more wind before it's all said and done. But watch for Tuesday. This is when we start to get things a little interesting across the valley. Certainly the upper elevations, because of the nature of the system, will wring out most of that moisture, but we have a chance across the valley, and that's through Wednesday, not just overnight into Wednesday, but Wednesday afternoon, evening as well. FutureCast shows 2 days worth, at least chances for showers across the valley. So it doesn't look heavy at this point, but we're watching it, and we'll track it for you and pinpoint which neighborhoods get hit the heaviest on that. Here's your next 7 days. I've actually dropped temperatures down to reflect the current trends even more so with that cooler system coming through. So we went from 90s to 80s to 70s to even 60s before these showers are all done. And then we start to rebound very quickly, and that's not unusual for this time of year. So understand that we can go 10 degrees, 15 in one day down. We can go back up 10 to 20 again before too long. That's the nature of really this time of year. So we've got those upper 80s on Friday, and then we're back into the 90s by next weekend. But the next few days, we're dropping down to well below normal levels. Back to you guys.